Title of my paper, Pre-Algebra. Is day 7 notes. And we're going to talk again about solving equations. The second little title I'm going to put under here is one step equations. We're going to build our way up. We're going to remember what a one-step equation is. Then we're going to do a two-step equation. And by the end of today, I want you to be able to do a multi-step equation where you do more than two steps. I think we can do it. Okay. So, in a one-step equation, that just means that you only have to take one step to solve it. You have to either add something, you subtract something, you multiply something, or you divide something. You're only doing it once. So, an example of a one-step equation would be something like x plus 5 equals 20. If our goal is to get x by itself, or to get, here, I'm going to write this to the side. Our goal is to get x equals a number. That's our goal. We want to rearrange the equation until we have x equals a number.
So we gotta find out what that x is.
Yes. Yes, we do.
And equal will be the answer.
Mm-hmm.
So it would be 5,
What would be 5?
the x.
Well, let's see.
So we got 5 and 5.
If x was 5, 5 plus 5, is that equal to 20?
No.
It's not. So we got to solve this. We're going to use our inverse operation, the opposite. Because I want to get x by itself. I'm trying to get rid of plus 5, right? How do I get rid of plus 5? Yes, we want to cancel it by subtracting, because that's the opposite. Minus 5. And
cancel.
yes. Now, did I keep my equation equal just now? I subtracted 5 over here. I gotta do it to both sides under the 20. And remember, when I say both sides, I'm talking about sides of the equal sign. So if I do it on the left side, I have to do it on the right side too, so that they're balanced. So my 5's canceled. What do I have left over here?
That's x.
Just x.
So bring it down
Mm-hmm.
under the 5.
So I kind of moved it over.
Okay, I'll just so I won't get,
I moved it. So I have x equals
at that point.
15. And here's where Unique's method comes in a little bit. I want to show you what she does, and I actually love this. Sometimes writing everything all stacked up like this, it's easy to kind of forget what you're doing at every step. So what she was showing me yesterday is anytime we do an operation like 20 minus 5, she writes it out to the side. 20 minus 5, just to kind of keep track of it. And that's 15. And then she brings it down over here. So if writing it out to the side helps you,
Yeah, that
do it.
I
Yeah,
it is.
absolutely. And see, look at that. 2 people it helped already. I love it.
Yeah.
So we just did one step here. We subtracted 5. And we got 15.
That's one step equation.
Yes. So then we move forward to 2-step equations, which is like what we did in the do now. So let me write a second title. I guess I'll use orange again. 2-step. And whenever we have more than one step, this is where we have to be careful about the order that we do things in. So, first, we want to cancel out any addition or subtraction. Then we want to cancel out multiplication and division. So I'll give you an example of a 2-step equation. Let's try 2x minus 3 equals 9. So since the first thing we want to do is cancel any plus or minus, any addition or subtraction, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look over where my x is, and I'm going to say, over on this side where my x is, do I have any plus a number or minus a number that I need to get rid of first? The 3. Okay, so I have minus 3. How do I get rid of that? By adding it, by doing plus 3. So we're gonna do plus 3 on this side of the equation.
Right. Then you can take it off.
And over here, yes, plus 3. And I'm gonna start writing it out to the side. I know I'm gonna have to do 9 plus 3. And 9 plus 3, what is that? 12. So my 12 goes here. Now what else do I need to bring down?
So,
The 2x. Missing one more thing,
the equal sign.
the equal sign, good. Now I have 2 times x equals 12.
Yes, ma'am. Divide.
Now we divide.
Divide by 12.
So 2x divided by 2, 12 divided by 2. Yes, my 2's cancel, and I'm going to write over here 12 divided by 2 is 6. Okay, so I'm gonna do this cancel. 12 divided by 2, we found out is 6. Nx equals 6. Good. Good. Okay, so these were our 2 steps. Step 1, we added 3. Step 2, we divided by 2. 2-step equations. Okay. And we're going to take a little break from the exceptions. I didn't need to introduce that to you so soon yesterday. This week, I've been all over the place this week. I'm going to be honest. So we're going to get back on track. That's a 2-step equation. Can I show you a multiple step equation? You guys, can we handle it? I think you can. All right. I'm going to show it to you. A multi-step equation is actually just like a 2-step equation. It's just now we have one extra step. Multi-step. This just means more than 2 steps. So here's an example of what that might look like. Say -3 plus and equals, let's see.
Yeah.
You know how to do it? You have more than one option for your first step. You can pick multiple things to do first and it will still be right.
So you want to do the 3 plus 3?
Sure, let's get rid of -3. Let's do +3. Now, whenever you get to a big multi-step equation, the biggest mistake I see is you might write +3,
Yeah.
and then you might try to write it under the 4 now.
Mhm.
Why is that wrong?
They're gonna have some more steps. You're gonna bring all that stuff back. But it's on the side.
Yes, and it's on the same side of the equal sign.
And then
Remember,
okay, yeah.
the equal sign separates the 2 sides of my equation. I already did it over here. I already added 3. I gotta do it on both sides. Yes. So we'll add 3 to 13 as well. And then I like to draw a big line right here to separate my steps.
Any 3 cancel?
My 3's will cancel. Ah, yes. And now we want to bring everything down. We have a couple of things left. We still have 2x plus 4. Equals, yeah, 13 plus 3 equals 16. There we go. And now we have a whole new equation.
Let's do 4.
Yes. Do you want to get rid of that 4 now? How do I get rid of plus 4? 4 from 4 and from 16. Yes, cancel the 4s.
Yes.
Here, 16 minus 4 is 12. Well, and those, yes, there's no more 4, so just the 2x comes down.
Okay.
Oh man, we're almost done. 2x equals 12. What do I do? Divide. Yes, divide by 2 on both sides.
Your twos cancel.
My 2's will cancel. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. I ran out of room, but I would bring down my x, bring down my equal 6. X equals 6. Okay. Is that so much worse than the 2-step?
Really?
It's not too much worse. It's just one extra step. It's just a little bit longer. Okay, so leave that up for just a minute while some of you guys finish writing if you still need it. And then I want us to do just a couple of these together for practice.
They can do a lot of these, classes.
The 2 steps.
No.
The multi-step?
Yes, you did this,
I showed you this?
yes, it might be, it might be on YouTube, but, it was day 3, and you were showing talk about terms.
But it didn't have an equal sign, did it?
Mhm.
It did?
Some of them did not, all of them.
I don't know why I'm not remembering that.
There was only 2 that you showed us that had equal signs, but we did good on that, though.
Well, good. I guess I'm just losing it. I just don't remember that for some reason. I mean, that's good. I'd rather you guys be more prepared than not. So I was looking back at my notes and we didn't, I mean, normally in pre-algebra, we don't touch this until about day 16. You guys are on day 7. Like, pretty quick. Okay, does everybody have this? Does anybody still need to see this to write? Or can I move it? Okay, I move it. So that's how to do it. See. I'll pause for a second.
We'll be stressing out.
All right, so let's do an exercise. I'm gonna write it up here, but if any of you want to wait for the copy, you can. I just get it written down first. So pre-algebra, day 7. Exit ticket. And this is due tomorrow.
With exit ticket.
Mm-hmm. Everything is due on Fridays. But your exit tickets, I keep them short and sweet. They won't be too much. Due. You will be able to finish this before you leave today. Okay. So, you just solve multi-step equation. I'm just going to give you one. For the value of x.
That's always
Yeah, go for it. Absolutely. Absolutely. Is the one problem I'm assigning to you. I'm going to freeze my screen so you guys can still see this if you're wanting to work on it. But I am going to make copies of this for you guys if you want them. So that is it today.